Hello there and welcome to the new Tableau tutorial. And in this Tableau tutorial video, we will going to look at one very interesting thing, which is sending an email directly from our dashboard. So let's say what do we have over here is the different customers. We have the customers by ranking, and let's say we want to send the information to our customer based on the spend that they have. So over here we have the customer Darren Martin, and here is its sales number, which is 29,987, and we want to send this information. So this is just a dummy example, but just wanted to show you how you can send the dynamic email directly from your dashboard. So as I'm hovering my mouse over to this, you can see that we have an option that send email to customer about spend. If I click on this, it opens up the email to me. It writes to the customer, which is Darren Martin. Now for this you need to have the email stored in your database. Right now what I am doing is picking up just the customer name, but if we have email ID, and we should have an email ID, then only we can send the customer. So Darren Martin, the subject is your spend with us, so that it is generalized. However, you can customize it, Darren Martin spend with us, or whatever message you want to customize. So this is the subject and this is the dollar amount, right? So how you can basically create the structure like this, so which has Darren Martin, the name, the subject, and the information about the spend. So if I discard this, and let's say I want to come over here for Natalie and I want to send an email, then Natalie name is coming and the spend is coming. So this is, as you can see, is completely dynamic. So I'm discarding this. And now let's see how we can do this. So to do this, first of all, what you need to do, we are in a dashboard, and in the dashboard we have the something called as the actions. So within action, here is an action that I have created, which is based on the menu that it was showing to us. So send an email to customer, and if I click on edit, here is the basically the customer sheet in which we want, and we can select on which sheet we want. So we want on customer rank, right? And now the information, first of all, what we need to provide to the URL, because it's a URL based action, that mail to colon. So mail to basically invoke the mail application in whatever mail application that you are using. So first of all, provide the mail to, and then the email ID. So email ID, instead of email ID, I am providing the customer name from here. So here you have the customer name. Similarly, you should have the email ID over here, which will come over here. Then after a question mark, you provide a subject, that what subject it should have. So subject is your spend with us. As you could see there that it was the subject was the your spend with us, and after that we are putting an ampersand, and then we are specifying what should be in the body. So in the body we have the sum of sales. So sum of sales is coming from here, and you can provide whatever information you want based on the measure you have an interest. So this is all what you need to have a very customized message to your user. And as you can see, you can have the field, you can have the text, again you can have the field, and this way you can make your application very interactive. Let's say you have something related to the logs that you want your user to be aware about. You can just simply click on that log and send it to your, let's say, manager, or that manager of that particular system. So anywhere where you have a need that you want your users to be aware about a particular type of situation through the email, the best way is to come into the dashboard. In the action, this is the email action, so URL action. So URL action is over here. Once you go into the URL action, you can select that in customer rank we want, and earlier, as I mentioned, you can provide like mail to whom you need to send the mail, and then specify the customer name, and so on and so forth, what I explained. So no point in explaining it again, but this is how you want to provide. And once you are done, you can click on test link and it will start showing you. So far I have just provided the customer name, so only customer name is coming. But in the earlier example I showed you that how you can even provide the subject and the body, which is, if I have to show you again, it's over here. If I go in the edit mode, this is the URL action on the customer rank, and this is the mail to customer. After question mark you have subject, ampersand you have a body. So that's about how you can send an email from your Tableau workbook directly to the person who is present over here. And you can customize the subject, you can customize the message as per the text and field of your interest. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the new video with the new topic.